बैक अगेन एंड ऑफ कोर्स गाइस, टाइटल से तो आपको पता ही चल गया होगा कि ये वीडियो है अबाउट ही प्रीमियम वॉच अमेजन फाइंड्स। ऑफ कोर्स जितनी भी प्रीमियम वॉचेस कलेक्शन है, प्रीमियम ब्रांड्स हैं मेंस वॉचेस के, ऑफ कोर्स वो आपको उसके डील्स एंड उसके प्रोडक्ट्स देखने को मिलेंगे। एंड ऑफ कोर्स there is a range low to high that you can choose, and of course कुछ products में discounts भी होते हैं, and of course I have shared or I have made that collection so that आपको अगर कोई अच्छा प्रोडक्ट डिस्काउंट में मिल रहा हो, so why not take it or purchase it. So guys, stay tuned, there is a clip coming on of the collection. Soumya Stores, my passion, my fashion. As you know, the main title for this video is He Premium Watch Amazon Finds. इसको आप main menu से search out कर सकते हैं under recommendations. Under He recommendations, here this is He Premium Watch Amazon Finds. So guys, as you can see, there is 19 products listed here right now, but I'll be adding some more to it. And as the name suggests, premium watch, so all the brands are here premium, right? Right now you can see the highest price is rupees 39903. Under this you can also check the different products. So okay, let's check new role. Right now all the products here which you can see are latest, so prices are updated here, and some are having sale also, that is there some discount going on these products. So okay, let's check this one. Okay, this is Obaco Analog Black Dial men's watch. You can check. Okay, there's only one product picture coming here. So there's a little information about it, right? And let's check on Amazon. So when you tap on this view on Amazon button, you'll be directed to Amazon. So okay, a little bit network issue. Okay, as you can see, there's 15% off on this product, and price is also updated. And here also there is only one picture, so right, the deal price is 12419, that is you are saving rupees 3531 rupees. Its MRP was 15950, but you are saving a good discount. So you can see all the offers, its delivery. You can also compare the product by different sellers. किसी की डिलीवरी ज़्यादा होती है, किसी की कम. Prices may be different. You can also compare it with other products, and also check the detailed information about the product description down below, right? So let's go back. Right. Okay. So let's check any other product. Okay, let's check this one. This is Maserati Analog Silver Dial men's watch. Okay, there are 6 pictures here. Let's check these out. So let's check all the pictures here. Okay. Oops. Right, information about the product, and you can also share with your friends to guess it. You may also check all these products and which are listed in Soumya Stores. So let's check on Amazon. Right, so as you can see, there's 13% off on this product. Pictures are also updated here, all the same pictures are there. And as you can see, price is updated. You're saving rupees 4771 on this product, and of course you can check the offers, and also check out the different sellers. It's information, different products from the same brand, and you can also compare it with different products, and also match different items which go with it. And you can also check out the detailed information about the product down below, and you can also check the reviews. So guys, let's check any other product. So right now there is only 19 products, but I'm adding more. So let's check. Okay, this one. Okay, that is Mathe Salt Analog Black Dial Man's Watch. It's images. Right. It's information. You can also share it with your friends. Right. Let's check on Amazon. Little extra with the net. So as you can see, there is only 2% off on this product, as it's a premium product, right? So you can see you are saving rupees 1225, and it's worth rupees 24500, but you are getting this for 23275. Of course, जो high end level products होते हैं, brands होते हैं, उन पे discounts भी at times बहुत कम आते हैं. So these are one of these products. You can check its information about this product here. You can select from products like similar products and detailed information down below, and many options. So let's go back, and as you can see, the price is also updated. So as you can see, price is also updated here. So let's go back. Right. So there are only 19 products listed under this collection right now, but when you will check this video out, you will certainly get to see more products. And of course, you can check out this collection. नीचे मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसका लिंक दे दिया है, वहाँ से आप उस लिंक पे टैप करेंगे तो आप सीधे इस कलेक्शन पे डायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन चेक द कलेक्शन हियर. सो आई होप गाइस यू लाइक दिस कलेक्शन, एंड ऑफ कोर्स एज आई टोल्ड यू, आप दो तरीके से इस कलेक्शन को सर्च आउट कर सकते हैं इस मेन मेन्यू से. हियर अंडर रिकमेंडेशंस, अंडर ही रिकमेंडेशंस, हियर इज़ दिस कलेक्शन, एंड you can also scroll down and check many different products, many different collections. You can check out here, right? So you can also chat with us by tapping on chat with us option. Of course, we reply you as soon as possible. So I hope guys you like this video, you like this collection and recommendations. Stay tuned. Thank you. So guys, I hope you like the collection or the clip which I just shared with you guys. I hope आपको different brands देखने को मिले होंगे. Of course किसी पे discounts भी हैं. Of course इतने अच्छे brands पे जब discount मिला, so why don't we should purchase it. Of course ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ लिमिटेड एडिशन डील्स भी होते हैं जो कुछ लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए होते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स, और कुछ प्रीमियम ब्रांड्स पे भी थोड़े बहुत ह्यूज डिस्काउंट नहीं होता, बट यस देयर इज सम परसेंट ऑफ डिस्काउंट दैट यू कैन अवेल. सो आई होप आपने प्राइस रेंज भी चेकआउट कर लिया होगा फ्रॉम लो टू हाई. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जैसे आप प्रोडक्ट पे टैप करेंगे तो आप अमेजन में रीडायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे. यू कैन चेक दी ऑफ कोर्स दी पिक्चर्स, एज यू कैन सी पिक्चर्स आर सिमिलर posted here on my website, and of course you can also check the similar products or the similar range products from different brands. So I hope you like the collection. Of course there are times जब ब्रांड अपने न्यू स्टॉक लाता है तो कुछ ओल्ड स्टॉक या ओल्ड डिज़ाइंस में ऑफ कोर्स डिस्काउंट्स आते हैं. सो व्हाई डोंट वी शुड चेक आउट. एंड आई होप ये कलेक्शन जो मैंने क्रिएट किया आपको पसंद आए. एंड अगर उसके अलावा भी कोई आपको क्वेरी है या कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए या कोई पर्टिकुलर डील या पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट, देन यू कैन कमेंट. प्लीज़ डू कमेंट. I'll search it for you. So guys, I hope you like the collection. एंड अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो प्लीज़ अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली को शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा. एंड हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड बेल आइकन को तो प्लीज़ टैप करिएगा, जिससे कि आपको आगे की डील्स एंड कलेक्शंस एंड ऑफ कोर्स वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. सो गाइज प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ योर फैमिली एंड गेट वैक्सीनेटेड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. एंड मास्क ऑन रखिए अगर आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बाहर जाना ऑफ कोर्स. सो दैट्स अ वेरी मस्ट थिंग to carry. And of course sanitizer is very much. So ये दो चीज़ें लाइफ का अभी पार्ट हैं. So don't forget yourself, help everyone. So I hope you like this video. तब तक के लिए toodles.